So guys, let's create techno steps under 2 minutes in Serum 2. So you can use any plug sound, you can use piano, you can use some plug from your favorite synth. So let's go with this one. I'm gonna create a chord. So I like to make D minor. Just like that. Maybe I can get rid of the noise a little bit. Now it's more clean. And now I'm gonna consolidate this channel. And I'm gonna get a waveform like this. Now let's drag drop this sample to the oscillator. And choose sample. And now we got this. Let me right click oscillator A. Copy and paste the oscillator B. And let's make it +7. And we already got the vibe. And let's process it by giving a little bit compression. And some ping-pong delay. And let's give it some medium reverb. And it sounds like this with a kick and bass. And also you can replace the sound how you like it. Maybe we can get this classic piano sound. We just need to render this one. And just drag drop to the Serum. And that's it. And you can tweak the envelope settings for a different character. Follow for more 2 minutes tips and tricks.